This video is brought to you by RepriceHub.com, the fastest and most accurate repricer and price monitor for Amazon dropshippers.
Hey, what's up guys? Luke Profits. This is going to be a kind of a general video that goes over the process of getting started dropshipping on Amazon and what you need to do. I've got a ton of other more specific content that goes over all these different aspects more in detail, but this is a great place to start and kind of just explains the whole process all in one place. So after you've watched this video, you can jump off to other videos and learn all the details about the things I'm talking about, but this is a great place to start. Since you clicked on this video, you probably already know this, but Amazon is a great choice of a website to start dropshipping on. They have more customers than pretty much any other website that exists, and surprisingly, far fewer sellers than other platforms like eBay, for example. On Amazon, you've got way less sellers to compete with to serve more buyers, so it's a win-win. The main catch with Amazon is just that you really have to be on top of your account because they're incredibly strict. On other platforms, you can kind of make a mistake here and there and learn as you go. On Amazon, that is not the case. You're gonna get a couple sales and then get banned. It's a bit more difficult in that respect because they're not nearly as forgiving as other platforms are when you're learning, but it's totally worth putting up with considering the insane amount of sales that you can get. With Amazon, actually, one of the main concerns is getting too many sales that you can't fill them and then would have to cancel orders, which is gonna mess up your account and then get you suspended. So yeah, sales are easy with Amazon. Getting sales is not the issue. Managing your account properly so that you don't get it suspended and then prevent yourself from being able to get sales in the future is the issue. Okay, so now that we've done a bit of an overview about why Amazon is such a great platform to dropship on, let's get more into the details of what you need to do to get started. First thing is you're gonna go to sell.amazon.com and create an account. There are two plans, but for reasons that I'm not going to go into here, you want to go with the $40 a month professional selling plan, and you do not want to use the other one. When you're signing up for your Amazon account, just know that they're going to want a whole bunch of information about you to make sure that you are a real person. You want to use your address, when they ask for your address, use the address that's on your driver's license, just in case they need to verify or anything like that, because it's a pretty extensive, sign up, making sure you're a real person kind of thing. It can take anywhere from a couple hours to a couple days to approve your Amazon selling account, and once you're approved, they'll just go ahead and shoot you an email. So once you've gotten that email, you're in, your account is set up, and you're ready to get started. One thing to remember too is that Amazon only allows one seller account per person, so don't go thinking that if you mess up this account, you can just make another account. This is your account. This is the account that you get, and there is some ways that you can do kind of like workarounds with LLCs, but it's expensive and difficult, and this is your Amazon account, right? You can't just mess up this account and then move to a different account. This is the one account that you get, so treat it that way. You gotta not let it get suspended, follow everything I'm saying here. If you're following what I'm saying here in these videos, you should be fine. Just don't try to skip through the videos and miss the important stuff and then end up with getting your account suspended. Not good.